Hi, in this video we will see how does the year function works in Tableau. So in order to use this function we have to create one calculation field. Title as a year. Then I'll type the function. You can see here we have to use one input which is date. So basically we can see here on the right side the definition of this function. So this function returns the year of the given date as an integer. So if suppose we use the input as a current date, so today is the 28th of April 2021. So I'll just use current date, present date as a current date. So after that I'll set the month as a 4, and today is the date is 28th. And what I'll just do, so it is showing actually error. Oh, so we have to use hash. So it is actually taking the input as a date format. So if we use this double comma, so it is actually the string format, which is so that's why this is giving. I use this hash function instead of comma, so we can see here the calculation is valid. So after that, I'll just click on apply and OK. So what I'll just do, I'll take this function show here and I'll drop it onto the text. And after that we can see here that function showing the sum actually. So we just have to click this click on the drop down, go to measure sum and convert this to an average. Now we can see it is showing the 2021 year. So if I open my uh, function that I just created, which is show year, and I see here, see we use the 2021 year in our function, so we can see the output. So we can compare both of the we can compare the our output and the input that we have used in this year function, so which is actually both are the same. So which is just so year function is just return the year which is present into our function, or we can say present in the year function as a given date. So this is how we can use the year function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.